Trip Around the World quilts are a classic design that has captivated quilters for generations. Dating back to the 1800s, this pattern creates a stunning visual effect with its intricate radiating design. Let's explore some of the best free Trip Around the World quilt patterns available online. First up is the Small Trip Around the World pattern by Mistress of Quilts. This versatile project can be made in any dimension and is constructed entirely from squares. It's perfect for beginners and experienced quilters alike, with a detailed step-by-step guide including photos. For those looking for a larger project, Bonnie K. Hunter's twin-size Trip Around the World pattern creates a beautiful 72 by 85-inch quilt. This pattern uses strips, making it easy to follow and ideal for both novice and seasoned quilters. If you have a collection of jelly rolls, the Scrappy Trip Around the World pattern by Aunt M's Quilts is an excellent choice. This vibrant design comes with a video tutorial guiding you through each step of the process. For a quick project, try the Trip Around the World mini quilt by Aqua Paisley Studio. Finishing at 17.5 inches square, it's perfect for a table topper or wall hanging. When creating your Trip Around the World quilt, consider using a variety of fabric scraps to showcase your favorite prints and colors. This pattern is ideal for using up leftover fabrics and creating a unique, personalized quilt. Remember to pay attention to color placement as you arrange your squares or strips. The radiating effect of this pattern relies on thoughtful color transitions. Whether you choose a small project or a bed-sized quilt, the Trip Around the World pattern offers endless possibilities for creativity. Its timeless design and adaptability make it a favorite among quilters of all skill levels. So why not embark on your own quilting journey around the world? With these free patterns at your fingertips, you're ready to create a stunning quilt that will be cherished for years to come. Want more Trip Around the World quilt patterns to fuel your quilting adventures? Travel over to ilovequiltingforever.com.